Once upon a time, there was a young pirate called Jake. He was 10 years old. He wanted to join a band of pirates, but when he tried, they just laughed at him and told him that he was too young to be a pirate.
Have you ever found any treasure?
They asked.
No, I haven't,
said Jake sadly.
Then go away, little boy.
They laughed.
I'll show them,
thought Jake, and he set off on his boat on an adventure to find treasure. It isn't easy to find treasure. Jake visited many islands in his search, but he only found old tires and plastic bottles. One day, as Jake was sailing to a nearby island, a big storm suddenly blew in. Jake fought to keep his boat upright, but it was hard and tiring, battling against giant waves and strong winds. After many hours, the storm finally ended. Jake was exhausted and fell asleep in his boat. Jake woke up and looked around. His boat had landed on an island with a huge, dark forest. Jake set off into the forest to explore for treasure. He walked and walked through the quiet, spooky forest, but didn't see anything except for the trees. Suddenly, he heard a whispering sound coming from a tree with a door-shaped hole in its trunk. As Jake approached the tree, a door slammed shut, and a voice shouted,
"Go away!" I'm sorry for surprising you,
said Jake.
But I'm just looking for treasure.
Oh, it's treasure you want, is it?
Said a voice from inside the tree.
There is treasure inside this tree, but you can't see it.
Oh, please,
pleaded Jake.
Please show me the treasure.
If you answer 3 special questions, I will give you some treasure,
said the voice.
Well, I can try,
thought Jake.
Okay, what are your questions?
Question 1,
said the voice.
Have you ever been to Dragon Island?
No, I haven't,
replied Jake. He knew the island and stayed away from it.
Would you like to go there?
said the voice.
No, I wouldn't,
exclaimed Jake.
It's too dangerous.
Wrong answer,
said the voice.
Go away.
Okay,
said Jake.
Yes, I would like to go there.
Good,
replied the voice.
Go there, find the dragon's egg, and bring it back to me.
Jake set off and sailed to Dragon Island. He crept around, found a dragon's egg, and quickly escaped. When he returned to the tree, the door was shut. So Jake knocked on it.
Yes?
Came the voice from inside.
I've brought you the dragon's egg,
replied Jake.
Good. Leave it outside the door and come back tomorrow.
The next day, Jake returned and knocked on the door.
Did you take the egg?
asked Jake.
Yes, very delicious,
came the reply.
Okay, now for question 2. Have you ever met a zombie?
No, I haven't,
admitted Jake.
Would you like to meet a zombie?
No, I wouldn't,
replied Jake truthfully.
Wrong answer. Go away.
The voice replied angrily.
Okay. Yes, I would like to meet a zombie.
lied Jake.
Very good.
Said the voice.
Go to Zombie Island, find the zombie queen, and steal her necklace. Then bring it to me.
Off Jake went and sailed to Zombie Island. He arrived at night when the zombies were sleeping. He tiptoed around and found the sleeping zombie queen. Very carefully, he slid the necklace off the queen's neck and tiptoed back to his boat. Again, the voice at the tree told Jake to leave the necklace outside the door and return the next day. The next morning, Jake arrived and knocked on the door.
Did you take the necklace?
Asked Jake.
Yes, my wife is very happy with her birthday present.
Replied the voice.
Now for the final question. Have you ever talked to a witch?
No, I haven't talked to a witch, and I wouldn't like to either.
Exclaimed Jake. He was scared of witches.
Wrong answer. Go away.
Came the reply.
Okay. Yes, I would like to talk to a witch.
Said Jake.
Good. Go find a witch and ask her to make some beetle and frog eyes potion. Then bring it back to me. Take this gold coin to pay with.
A gold coin was pushed under the door. Jake took the coin and went in search of a witch. He sailed to the enchanted market on Magic Island. There he found an old witch. She made the potion and took the gold coin. When Jake returned to the tree, he knocked on the door. The voice told him to leave the potion and come back the next day. The next morning, Jake knocked on the door.
Go away.
Shouted the voice.
Didn't you take the potion?
Asked Jake.
Yes, I did. It was perfect medicine for my headache. I feel much better now.
So give me some treasure. You made a promise.
Pleaded Jake.
Okay,
Said the voice.
stand back.
The door flew open and out jumped 3 pirates. The very same pirates that laughed at Jake.
Well done, Jake.
Said one of the pirates.
You passed our test. Now you can join our band of pirates.
Yippee!
Shouted Jake with glee. From then on, Jake went on many exciting adventures with his band of pirates. He had lots of fun and found lots of treasure.